This video will instruct you on how to add a project folder into Autodesk Inventor. You want to open up your Autodesk Inventor software. So double click on that. Once you're there, you're going to get the start screen. On the start screen, you're going to see the list of projects that already exist right here. And down when you click on them, so you're going to select right there, you're going to see all the files that will show up. We need to create a new one. So you're going to go off to the left-hand side. Under New, you're going to click that. And then if for some reason your screen shows up like this, remember to move that up so you can see the word Projects. Select Projects, double click. And again, we have the list of projects that are made so far. We're going to create a new one. So go under New. Keep the default, which is New Single User Project. Select Next. Now you need to name the folder. Title it the name of the project. So for me right now, this is going to be Practice. Do the underscore and your last name. So it'll be the name of the project, underscore, and then your name. So possibilities could be Puzzle Cube Project, Practice. Once that's done, I need you to select Finish. Oh, sorry. Practice already exists. So I'm going to change that to Practice. I'll go Temis. Finish. This window will pop up. The project path entered doesn't exist. Should we create it? Yes, because that's what we want to do. Select OK. And you should see right up here that your project has now been created and it's been selected to be used. So that's why we have the check mark there. Practice Temis. Select Done. And you are done. Your project should be listed right there. And again, it's been selected. And so now at this point, every time I create a file, it's going to go right into that project. Be aware that when you start a new file, please make sure that you are selecting your project, that your items are going into yours and not anyone else's. So to do that, all you do is just click on it and activate. Let me go back to mine. Go to this one so you can see the files. All right, thank you very much.